If you've been playing FH6 and you want to turn the horns on or off, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find the setting. Whether you want a quieter driving experience or you just want to bring the horn sound back, it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast gaming tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, press escape on your keyboard to open the main menu. From there, go into settings. Once the settings menu opens, look for the audio section and select it. In the audio settings, scroll through the options until you find horns. This is the setting that controls whether horn sounds are enabled in FH6. When you find it, you'll see a toggle option next to it. If you want horns turned on, switch the setting on. If you want them disabled, simply toggle it off. After making the change, you can back out of the menu and continue playing right away. That's all there is to it. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to customize your gameplay and audio exactly the way you like it. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next FH6 tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.